Welcome friends. In this video we shall learn solution of system of linear inequations in one variable, and we shall learn it by an example. The example is as follows. Solve the following system of linear inequations. These are two linear inequations and we have to solve them. So let us see how to do it. First of all, we shall start with first linear inequation, and in that we are given 6x over 5 plus 4x over 15 greater than equals to 29 over 8. And now we shall take LCM of this left hand side of this sign of inequality, and the LCM will be 15. If we divide 15 by 5 we get 3, and if we multiply 3 with 6x we get 18x, and if we divide 15 by 15 we get 1, and if we multiply 1 with 4x we get 4x, and this is greater than equals to 29 over 8. And then this value will be 22x over 15 greater than equals to 29 over 8. And we know that we can multiply both the sides by a positive number without changing the sign of inequality. So we shall multiply both the sides by 15. Then we can cancel out this 15 to this 15. Then we get 22x greater than equals to 29 over 15 over 8. And we also know that we can divide both the sides by same positive number without changing sign of inequality. So we can divide it by 22, and here we can divide it by 22. Then it is equals to x is greater than equals to 29 multiplied by 15 over 8 into 22. And if we multiply this 29 with this 15 we get 435, and here we get 176. So x is greater than equals to 435 over 176. So the interval is x belongs to the interval 435 over 176 to positive infinity. So we let that this is our interval number 1, or the solution of part 1. And now we shall solve the second linear inequation, and that is 2x minus 1 over 12 minus x minus 1 over 2 less than, and that is equals to 3x plus 1 over 4. And now we shall take LCM of these two terms, and that is will be 12, and if we divide 12 by 12 we get 1. If we multiply 1 with 2x minus 1 we get 2x minus 1, and if we divide 12 by 2 we get 6, and if we multiply 6 with this x minus 1 we get minus 6x plus 6, and which is less than 3x plus 1 over 4. Then it will be minus 4x plus 5 over 12 less than 3x plus 1 over 4. And we know that we can multiply by both the sides by a positive number without changing the sign of inequality. So we shall multiply it by 12, and here by 12. We can cancel out this 12 and this 4 with this 12 to get 3. Then it will be minus 4x plus 5 less than 9x plus 3. And we can add or subtract the same number both the sides. So we can subtract 5 from here and 5 from here. So we get minus 4x less than 9x minus 2. And now we shall subtract 9x from both the sides. Then it will be minus 13x less than negative 2. And we know that we can divide by a negative number, then the sign of inequality will be reversed. Then we shall write it as like, and here negative 2 over negative 13, but the sign of inequality will be reversed. then this value is x is greater than 2 over 30. So x belongs to the interval 2 over 13 to positive infinity, and this is our solution of the second inequation. And now we shall place both the interval on a number line. So this is, and we have 2 points on it. This is 435 over 167, and here 2 over 13, but 2 over 13 is not included, so we shall place an open circle here. This is x greater than 2 over 13, and here we shall place positive circle here because 435 over 167 is included. So this value is x is greater than equals to 435 over 176. So the solution of system of linear inequations will be 435 over 176 to positive infinity. So this will be the solution of the system of linear inequation. Thank you.